Imagine one man is selling time on the street. Not magic, not tricks, just something you'll never forget. Sounds crazy, right? But what happened after that will surprise you. He sat alone every day in the corner of a crowded railway station. In front of him was a simple board that said, "Time for sale, 10 rupees only." People laughed, some took photos, others ignored him completely. But the old man didn't move, didn't sell snacks, didn't beg, just sat beside a plastic chair. One day, a young man named Rishi stopped and asked, "Uncle, what are you really selling?" The old man smiled. 10 rupees for 10 minutes of your own time. No phone, no talking, no rush. Just sit and feel it. Rishi thought it was a joke, but something about the man's calm voice made him curious. He gave 10 rupees and sat down. The old man placed a small sand timer on the table. No music, no talk, just silence. At first, Rishi felt awkward. He kept looking around, tapped his foot. But slowly, he noticed things. The cool wind, a bird flying, a small girl hugging her mother, the smell of hot samosas. 10 minutes passed. The old man rang a tiny bell and said, "Your time is up." Rishi stood up. Something felt different, lighter. He didn't say anything, just nodded and left. But the next day, he came back and brought his friend. Soon, others started trying it. A mother who never had a moment alone. An old man who missed silence. A student tired of scrolling. They all sat and felt their time. One person cried, another smiled after many weeks. Some just sat quietly and returned the next day. The old man never asked for more than 10 rupees. Someone once asked him, "Why are you doing this?" He said, "People are always asking for more time, but they don't know what to do with it when they get it. I'm just reminding them how to feel alive again." That man was never seen in newspapers, never went viral. But for those who sat on that chair even once, they remembered him for life. Because sometimes you don't need more time. You just need to feel the time you already have. If this story touched your heart, comment below. I will value my time. Please like, share, and subscribe to Why It Works, which support to create more videos for you.